Hello family, let me warmly welcome you to this particular platform. If today is your first time tuning into this channel and you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon for latest updates. Like, share and leave your comments down below. Yes, your comments are very important to me. So if you don't understand anything, don't hesitate to drop it under the comment section and I will humbly answer you. As usual, here we teach, we learn, and we practice herbs. We give you the benefits of herbs, the spiritual and the physical benefits of herbs. How you can use herbs to solve your problem, how you can use herbs to deal with any sort of issue that you are in, both spiritual and physical. Today, our topic is about how you can use Kola nut to make someone fall in love with you. That is kola nut and alligator pepper to make someone fall in love with you. In case you are looking for love, watch the video till the end. Or your marriage is at the verge of collapsing, don't worry. Just watch the video to the end and everything is gonna be okay. I'm going to teach you a very simple way that you can use alligator pepper together with kola nut. That is 7 seeds of alligator pepper and 1 piece of kola nut to make someone fall in love with you. If you are a guy or a man and you have spent your money profusely on a certain lady, or in the name of you want to get married to her, but in the end he wants to pay you evil for your good, don't worry. Don't uh, get any plan B, not like any bad plan. No, just watch the video till the end and that lady is gonna fall deeply in love with you. Meanwhile, a certain lady has also helped a certain man, all in the name of they are planning the future together. But now that things are getting better for the man is now chasing other women and treating this very lady as someone who is very bad. In fact, he is molesting that very lady, and the lady is now perplexed, very confused, don't know what to do. I mean, to survive. My sister, just don't worry, watch the video to the end and obey anything that I will instruct you to do here, and you are going to get that man. That man is going to be yours forever. He's going to do as you say. Yes, it's no joke. Whatever I am teaching here works like magic. So when you are doing, try to do it with good faith and with good heart, because law of karma always work. You know, without wasting much time, I've already mentioned the materials needed. That is 1 piece of kola nut and 7 seeds of alligator pepper, just to make someone fall in love with you. This is how you are going to do it. You will chew the 1 piece of kola nut together with the 7 seeds of alligator pepper. You chew them slightly, I mean not to the fullest. You chew them slightly and you don't have to swallow it. Yes, and this is what you do next. You speak your lover's name and your heart desire over the mixture. That is the thing that you are chewing in your mouth. You speak it. You speak all your heart desire, and then your lover's name over it, because after chewing you have to just spike it or put it in a certain container or anything that can hold it. And this is what you will do next. You will rub it in your hand. You rub your hand with it, yes, and then you go and touch the person you love, and the person is gonna obey you, the person is gonna listen to you from that point going, or from that time going, you are going to experience massive love. So when you are saying your heart desire, please make sure you say positive ones, because whatever you say is going to come to pass. Whatever you say, you are going to experience it in your relationship or in your love life. Yes, what I'm teaching here are powerful ones. So try to do it, and do it with good faith. As I always say, faith is the spiritual currency used to purchase something from the spiritual world. So if you need something, or you want the nature to work in your favor, always when you are embarking on the spiritual, direction, or you are doing any spiritual recipe, please try to have good faith. Yes, and you are going to get a good result. Good faith brings good results. And I know, inshallah, you are going to do it with good faith. So good result definitely is gonna be your portion. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon for latest update. Don't forget to like, share for other people to also get it. And if you have any question, please drop it under the comment section, and I will humbly answer you. I'm always online, and it is for your understanding that I am teaching here. Thank you. See you next time.